Hudson, why do you get so excited about the vacuum?
Huh?
Why do you get so excited about it?
Mommy.
Whatty? Why do you get so excited about the vacuum? Do you like it?
Huh?
Do you like the vacuum? Okay, Mommy, help.
No.
You don't want Mommy to help you vacuum? It's heavy though. You can do it on your own?
Huh?
Can you do it on your own? Hudson. Hudson. What do you think about the vacuum?
Huh?
Okay, should we plug it in?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Huh?
Look at me. Say bye-bye.
Mommy, this is no.
You want more?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.